So hello and welcome guys, this is Ashutosh, your host, and today guys I welcome you all in this new video tutorial session of basic electrical engineering. So guys, today we are going to study magnetic circuit. Okay, so let's start magnetic circuit and you will see here, first of all, this is very important question which is being asked. What is the difference between magnetic circuit and electric circuit? So guys, ये क्वेश्चन हमेशा आता है और पूछा जाता है कि क्या डिफरेंसेस है एक मैग्नेटिक सर्किट में और एक इलेक्ट्रिक सर्किट में. सो यू कैन सी ओवर हियर on your screen. So this is the example at the left side. This is the example of magnetic circuit, and at right side this is the example of electric circuit. So guys, यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं, this is the circular core, iron core. You see, this is the circular iron core. It is made of, whether it could be made of cast iron or silicon steel, and there is a windings wound on this silicon steel core. You can see, आप यहाँ पर देख सकते हैं कि यहाँ पर number of turns हैं guys. Here are the number of turns of windings are there. You can see यहाँ पर इस तरीके से number of turns लिए गए हैं. copper windings जो insulated है, okay, that copper winding which is insulated, okay, that is wound on this iron core. So this is called iron core. This part of iron is called iron core, and this part is called copper winding. You can see, and then guys, if you supply a current in this winding, अगर आप इस winding में current supply करेंगे तो guys एक MMF बनेगा. There will be a magnetomotive force which drives the flux in the core. You see, current will be circulated in the windings. This is the direction of current, and therefore due to the excitement of this winding there will be a magnetomotive force, and which drives, and as a result there will be flux. You see, and flux will be set up in this iron core. आप देख सकते हैं guys, flux जो होगा वो iron core में set up होगा, and current will be circulated in the winding parts. So this is very important circuit of magnetic circuit, and transformer is also a very important example of magnetic circuit. So we will see it later. And so guys, here there will be flux. So point number one, in the magnetic circuit यहाँ पर iron core होगा और windings होगी, जो windings को wound किया जाएगा उसी iron core पर. So guys, first point is first difference between magnetic circuit and electric circuit, which is that flux will be there. Okay, in magnetic circuit there will be flux, and the formula for flux is equal to MMF upon reluctance. Okay, and now we will talk about electric circuit. So you can see over here there will be an EMF, a battery, voltage source, DC voltage source is here. You can see this is EMF source, and there will be copper wire connected between these two electrodes. So there will be a resistance of copper wire. So guys, वहां पर copper wire का resistance होता है, और ये जो copper wire है ये बैटरी के दोनों इलेक्ट्रोड्स, एक पॉजिटिव और एक नेगेटिव के बीच में कनेक्टेड होता है. You see over here, and then due to electromotive force, okay, a current will be circulated in the circuit. You see, so here current will be there. So this is the first difference. यहाँ पर flux होगा guys. In the magnetic circuit there will be flux set up in the iron core. In the electric circuit there will be current which will flow in the electric circuit, and the formula for current you already know, EMF divided by resistance. And guys, here EMF is called electromotive force. You see, and the resistance is, this is the resistance and opposition offered to the flow of current. That property is called resistance of wire. So guys, you can see, and the second point is called MMF will be there. यहाँ पर जो magnetic circuit है उसका MMF होगा, एक force है. This is a driving force magnetomotive force, and the unit is ampere turn, AT. You always write ampere turn. So ampere for current circulated in the windings, and turn means how many number of turns are there of windings. So that's why it becomes ampere turn. And guys, here you can see in electric circuit there will be EMF, electromotive force, and the unit of electromotive force is in volts. You see. Then third point you can see the flux will be there in magnetic circuit. ये आप देख सकते हैं. And these are also called magnetic lines of force. Okay, these are magnetic lines of force. Okay, and this is also called flux. Okay, which flows from north pole towards south pole. Okay, between that will be called uniform magnetic field between magnet. So this is basically flux, and the unit of flux is in Weber. Weber में लिया जाता है. And you see current will be circulated in the electric circuit. आप यहाँ पर देख सकते हैं guys. There will be current in the electric circuit, and the unit of current is in amperes. Then fourth point you see there will be flux density, that is B, and you can define flux density. Flux passing per unit area is called flux density, और इसकी unit आप लेते हैं guys Weber per meter square. Okay, so that is called flux density, and it is denoted by capital B. You see here in Weber per meter square. And another unit of flux density is Tesla. And then you see here in the electric circuit there will be current density. यहाँ पर current density पाई जाती है guys. So here the current flowing per unit area is the current density in ampere per meter square, you see. And then fifth point आप देख सकते हैं guys. Fifth point is called reluctance. So you see reluctance means in the magnetic circuit opposition offered to the flow of flux. And this reluctance, okay, this is the reluctance or resistance of magnetic core. तो ये iron core का resistance होता है. This is the iron core. You see, this is circular iron core. You can see, okay, this is the circular iron core. And guys, this will be the reluctance S of this iron core. So when flux flows or flux set up in the iron core, what happens? There will be a resistance opposition, okay, offered to the flow of flux, and that is called reluctance in the magnetic circuit. And this is similar to resistance in electrical circuit. You see, this is the resistance of wire in electric circuit. यहाँ पर resistance होता है. You see, it is denoted by capital R, and this is equal to rho L upon A, where resistance is actually directly proportional to length of wire and cross sectional area of wire. And this is rho is, and guys, this is rho means resistivity or specific resistance. Okay, and this is sigma actually guys. Here it is written, misprinting is there, so it is sigma. So this is resistivity and is equal to 1 upon sigma, that is conductivity, and these are reciprocal. Okay, so in case of electric circuit, resistance is equal to rho L upon A, and in case of magnetic circuit आप यहाँ पर देख सकते हैं guys, S is equal to, S is directly proportional to length of the core, cross sectional area of the core, and then 1 upon mu. Okay, this is the, okay, S is equal to, you can write L upon mu A, and this is mu is equal to permeability, and that is equal to mu 0 mu R. Absolute permeability into relative permeability will be there in the formula. So you can see L upon mu 0 mu R into A. So guys, mu 0 का जो value है, the value of mu 0 is equal to 4 pi 10 to the power minus 7 Henry per meter, and mu R is the relative permeability. Okay, so relative permeability मतलब माध्यम की चुंबकशीलता या permeability इसको आप बोलते हैं. And guys, this is considered, okay, 1 in case of vacuum, and in case of air gap mu R is considered, that is equal to 1. Okay, so you can see this is reluctance. This is very important formula. You will have to use it, okay, in the in later on. So guys, then next difference you see, what is permeance? 6 point. So this is 1 upon reluctance, and reluctance is opposition offered, and permeance is permittable flux. Okay, permeance. Okay, there is permission actually of flowing of flux. So permeance is 1 upon reluctance, and here just like conductance G, you see G is equal to 1 upon R. So G is conductance and R is the resistance. So these are inversely proportional. So here 7 point reluctivity will be there. Here resistivity will be there in electric circuit. Then you see 8 point permeability is equal to 1 upon reluctivity. In electric circuit, conductivity is equal to 1 upon resistivity. And guys, total MMF, you will have to write it down, phi S1 plus phi S2 plus phi S3. We will see, okay, the formulas related to all these stuff. And then total EMF in electric circuit, you will see IR1 plus IR2 plus IR3. As now you can see over here, the comparison of magnetic circuit and electric circuit is already shown over here. So these are the similarities between electric and magnetic circuit. So guys, as listed below, you can see the first point is path traced by the current is called electric circuit. Path traced by magnetic flux is defined as magnetic circuit. So you already know, we already discussed this point. Then EMF is the driving force in electric circuit, and the unit is in volts. So guys, this is electromotive force. You already know this is responsible force for driving force for electric current. And MMF in the magnetic circuit, there will be MMF. Okay, this is also driving force in the magnetic circuit, the unit of which is ampere turns. And then see the third point, there is a current in electric circuit. There will be current will be flown in the electric circuit measured in ampere, but in case of magnetic circuit there will be flux in the magnetic circuit measured in Webers. And then see point number 4, the flow of electrons decide the current in conductor. So you already know. And in magnetic circuit, the number of magnetic lines of 4 decides the flux. Okay, so these are the electrons, which is also called flow of electron, that is current, and the number of magnetic lines of force, that is flux. And fifth point, resistance oppose the flow of current, and the unit of resistance is in ohm. But the reluctance is opposed by magnetic path to the flux. So this is called reluctance. You already know, and it is denoted by S, capital S, whereas resistance is denoted by capital R. So guys, ये इलेक्ट्रिक सर्किट में होगा और ये मैग्नेटिक सर्किट में होगा. Okay, so R is the opposition offered to flow of electron or flow of current, and S is the opposition offered to the flow of flux. And then C, 6 point is resistance is directly proportional to length of wire, inversely proportional to cross sectional area A, and it depends on nature of material. So guys, you always write the formula for resistance R is equal to rho L upon A in electric circuit, whereas in magnetic circuit the formula for reluctance is written by this equation L upon mu 0 mu R into A. So guys, here reluctance is the magnetic circuit's reluctance S, and which is directly proportional to length of iron core. This is the length of iron core, and length will be in centimeter or in meter, and inversely proportional to mu, which is equal to mu 0 into mu R, and also inversely proportional to area of cross-sectional area of iron core. So it becomes S equal to L upon mu 0 mu R into A. And 7 point, the current, the formula for current, you write EMF upon resistance, E upon R or V upon R. But in magnetic circuit, the formula for flux is equal to MMF upon reluctance, F upon capital S. and the current density will be there in electric circuit. So see here, current density formula I upon A in ampere per meter square, but flux density capital B will be there in magnetic circuit, and it is flux passing per unit area and flux upon A. So the unit of flux density will be in Weber per meter square, and there will be conductivity is reciprocal of resistivity. आप यहाँ पर देख सकते हैं guys, and conductance is inversely proportional to resistance. You see, conductance is denoted by G, capital G, and see here permeance is reciprocal of reluctance. So permeance is the permission to the flow of flux, but reluctance is the opposition to the flow of flux. So both are inversely proportional, guys. Permeance is inversely proportional to reluctance. And then 10th point here, Kirchhoff's KVL and KCL laws are applicable. You see, in the electric circuit, in the magnetic circuit, Kirchhoff's MMF law and flux law is applicable to the magnetic circuit. So you already know. So these are the some differences. And guys, now so guys, here you can see the example of magnetic circuit is shown over here. This is the circular iron core जो यहाँ पर दिखाई गई है, shown over here, and number of turns. Okay, windings are there wound on this circular ring. N number of turns are the number of turns of windings, and I is the current circulated in this winding. So आप पहले से जानते हैं guys, you already know. Now guys, you already know H is equal to Ni upon L. Okay, we already derived the equation, and B is equal to mu 0 mu R into H. So mu 0 mu R Ni upon L, it becomes B is equal to, and then you can write phi is equal to B into A. So flux का जो formula होगा Ni upon L upon mu 0 mu R into A. So guys, we already derived this formula. आप जानते हैं S is equal to L upon mu 0 mu R into A. So flux is equal to, it becomes Ni MMF, that is MMF upon S. Okay, so आप यहाँ जानते हैं flux का जो formula है वो MMF upon reluctance होगा. And then guys, this is the formula, very important relation. Okay, in the denominator reluctance is there and flux is equal to MMF upon S. So guys, above equation is called the Ohm's law of magnetic circuit. आप यहाँ पर देख सकते हैं, because it resembles a similar expression in electric circuit. So guys, now you can see these are the dissimilarities between the two circuits, between electric circuit and magnetic circuit. तो आप यहाँ पर देख सकते हैं guys, first point is, in the electric circuit the current actually flows, there is movement of electrons, but in magnetic circuit due to MMF flux gets established and does not flow in the sense in which current flows. So guys, basically flux को कहा जाता है कि it is set up in the iron core, okay, simultaneously at once. Okay, it does not flow actually, it sets up in the iron core, but in electric circuit current flows. Second point, there are many materials which can be used as insulators like air, polyvinyl chloride, PVC, synthetic resin, etc., from which current cannot pass. This is important. These are insulators. And in magnetic circuit you can see there is no magnetic insulator, as flux can pass through all the materials, even through the air as well. So guys, flux जो है वो सभी से पास होता है. The third point is, energy must be supplied to the electric circuit to maintain the flow of current, and here in magnetic circuit energy is required to create the magnetic flux, but it is not required to maintain it. Okay, you see, energy is required to create the magnetic flux. This is important point. Then fourth point, the resistance and the conductivity are independent of current density under constant temperature, but may change due to the temperature. You already know. Okay, temperature is the parameter which affects the resistance and conductivity of material. And see here, the reluctance, permeance and permeability are dependent on the flux density. Very important point. And here fifth point, electric lines of flux, that is electric flux, are not closed. They start from positive charge and end on negative charge. You already know positive charge, so the electric flux lines are originated from positive charge. Okay, and it does not make a closed loop. Okay, it does not form a closed loop, you already know. But in case of magnetic lines of flux, यहाँ पर आप देखते हैं guys, यहाँ पर एक रबर के जैसा closed loop बनता है. You see, in magnetic circuit there will be magnetic lines of flux are closed lines. They flow from north pole to south pole externally, and while S to N internally. And sixth point, there is continuous consumption of electrical energy. In magnetic circuit, you see energy is required to create the magnetic flux, not to maintain it. So these are the some dissimilarities between two circuits.